everyone, I hope you are good. My name is Dodi Duman and I'm from Group 1 English. Here I will explain about safety electrical if the cable is lost.
Maybe we have experience when plugging the plug into the socket feels loose, and when it is moved it turns off a little. Then the plug must be shaken a little to come back to life. Situation like that will trigger a small spark, depending on the electrical load applied to the plug. The greater the electrical load or watts, the greater the spark that will be released. Small sparks that are contactly over time will scorch the part of the plug or socket which is usually made of plastic or rubber. In this case that are increasingly flammable. Not only plug and socket are then prone to fire. The wires inside the socket can also become very hot and can also catch fire.
Everyone, my name is Amatorik Aziz. I am from Group 1 English. I will to explain how safety electrical at home.
Do not pile too many plugs into one socket using a prong tool. This overloads the socket and causes the plug and socket to overheat, increasing the likelihood of an electrical fire occurring. When we add the terminal or branching device to the socket, we cannot ensure that the addition of this tool at the point of the contact is always done correctly. The reason is if you don't connect it properly, it can cause electricity. Therefore, avoid using T terminals. Use licensed plugs and sockets that already have SNE approved by National Certificate.
Hello guys, I'm from Group 1. Explain about messy wires in the house. Keep a set or unset cable neat and secure to prevent damage. Electrical safety rules do not only apply to cables that are in use. Cables that are not in use must also be stored securely to prevent damage. Keep cable out of reach of children. Prevent calling or tying the cable tightly. This may result in overthink. Never place cable near hot objects, such as stove or other types of heaters to prevent damage to insulation and wires and cable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from Group 1 English with the theme about electrical safety potential of fire. My name is Rafael Sanfikri, NPM 2170 52940.
Do not use a power cord whose thickness or diameter does not match the power or the use of electrical cable. They are not in accordance with the design cause excessive heat which can trigger a fire. For example, a cable that small KEA or current conducting capacity is used to operate electrical equipment that require a large electrical power. Sign that indicate there is a potential overheated power cord. Its cable insulated feel warm to touch. Melted cable insulation. Unplug all used electrical equipment to reduce potential hazard. One of the simple yet often overlooked electrical safety tips is to unplug when electrical appliances are not in use. This only save power but protect the equipment from overheating or power short.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? All my friend, I hope you are always healthy. My name is Andi Muhammad Dahlan from Group 1 English. I will explain about electrical safety in the home area.
Unplug all unused electrical equipment to reduce potential hazard. One of the simplest yet often overlooked electrical safety tips is to unplug when electrical appliances are not in use. This not only saves power but protects the equipment from overheating or power surges. Do not leave the plug of electronic equipment in the socket when not in use, whether forgetting to unplug the cell phone charger after the battery is fully charged, or just turning off the television using the remote control without unplugging the cable.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Irsad Al-Mutawakil. I am from kelas A3 dengan NIM 217055954.
Do not pull the cable apart when playing the plug. Don't make the wrong habit when reading the plug from the wall socket. The wrong habit that is often done is to pull the cord, not the plug. The habit of pulling the cable is very dangerous because it can damage the cable connection in the plug. It can even increase the risk of short circuit and the electrical hazard.
Hi guys, my name is Fadel Muhammad and my NPM is 2170530061. And this time I will tell you about the precaution of electrical safety.
And the next is precaution of electrical safety. For the example, is an electrical safety at mall. If the power supply or power socket is on the floor, use the power supply cover like this. You can open it, and if you don't use it, you can close it again. And the second precaution is never expose the place of power socket. You can use this tip. This one, you can put the power socket behind the furniture or the sofa like this, so it's more safe and the children not easy to access this power socket. And guys, for the next or the third precaution, you can cover the cable like this one using PVC. For example, because this cable is around the public area, so it's more safe for everyone who access this cable or power socket. And the next precaution, for more safety, cover the terminal like this one. And for the last precaution, if the cable is crossing the floor like this one, you can cover it using tape like this. The conclusion from the material is always pay attention to the area around us because there might be dangerous factors, especially electrical hazard. So, before you work with electricity, you have to understand the standard first. And the key is on focus of what you are doing. Don't let your concentration be divided in order to minimize the risk that may occur. And that's all from us. Thank you for watching.